Popeye employee destroys their entire inventory.
For what?
They didn't pay him for 1 month.
1 month.
What happens when you don't get paid for a month?
Someone got some good ass fries. I ain't gonna lie to you.
At least he got his money.
That's an ungrateful worker.
But they didn't pay him.
It should even be, what do you mean?
They didn't pay him for 1 month.
For only 1 month, and he's complaining.
What do you mean with only 1 month?
There are people in Nigeria that are still working today for 2 years that they are not sitting. And you are complaining because of 1 month. He's an ungrateful person. He should be sued, he should be arrested. The money that he has scattered and those things that he destroyed, can that money, can he pay back? How much does he receive that he will be scattering everything that
let's say around $1,000. Let's say around $1,000.
Imagine, and he must have scattered something
per month,
maybe something to what 20,000 euro dollars, and he has scattered.
But bros, you know, life in Africa, life in abroad, they are different.
What do you mean by life?
Abroad, if you don't pay 1 month, you are somehow fucked.
Go to Turkey. Is Turkey not abroad? I know of some footballers that are playing in Turkey. I don't want to mention their name.
It's a friend of you, eh?
They have been playing for 2, 3, 4, 5 months. They don't pay their salary.
Yeah.
And you know what the coach told them? He said, "You don't know the earthquake happened the other day, so we don't have money." They're not using earthquake as an excuse not to pay them money. And this one is complaining.
Uncle,
you should be happy that you have a job. There are people that are out there that are jobless. They don't have anything to anywhere to get money. Okay, I go pay you. Is it a crime? Maybe the boss has even told him already, please be calm, be patient. Today is holiday, that's why. Tomorrow I will try to bring the money. And he not even be paying, he was not even patient. Only 1 month and he's scattering everything. If I catch him, he should be happy that he has a job. If he was during the slave trade, we would have sent him for slavery.
I fear for you, uncle. I fear you.
Do you know how many people that were working during the slave trade with the slave masters that did not get anything?
But there was not Popeye.
They were only getting bread and granuts to eat, and you are here making noise and scattering the people.
Similar to Popeye.
Ungrateful worker. Rubbish.
They make you vex. I'm sorry, uncle. I'm sorry.
Telling me nonsense.